Hey coders, welcome back to BugNoJutsu, where we master coding, conquer LeetCode, and embrace the grind. Today, we're picking more than just fruits, we're picking up one of the most fundamental techniques in problem solving, the sliding window. We're going to solve LeetCode 904, fruit into baskets, a problem that seems simple on the surface but packs a lot of subtle logic. Stick around, because this one will seriously upgrade your windowing game. Imagine you're walking through a farm, and there's a single row of fruit trees in front of you. Each tree produces only one type of fruit, represented by numbers in an array. You have two baskets, and each basket can hold only one type of fruit, but there's no limit on how many of each fruit type it can hold. Now here are the rules. You can start from any tree, and you must move to the right, picking exactly one fruit from each tree. All the fruits you pick must fit in the two baskets, meaning at most two different types total. Once you encounter a third type of fruit that doesn't fit in your current baskets, you have to stop. Your task is to return the maximum number of fruits you can collect following these rules. Let's take this input, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. You might be tempted to start at the very beginning. Let's try that. Tree 0 is fruit 1 first basket. Tree 1 is fruit 2 second basket. Tree 2 is fruit 3 that's a third type. If you started at index 0, you'd only be able to collect 1, 2, just 2 fruits. But wait, can we do better? Let's shift our starting point to index 1. Now our baskets hold 2 and 3, and we collect 2, 3, 2, 2, that's 4 fruits, and it's completely valid. So the answer here is 4, not 5. The key insight? Sometimes, the best window doesn't start at index 0. We need to dynamically track and shift our start point to get the maximum valid stretch. Now how do we turn that intuition into an efficient solution? This is where the sliding window technique shines. We maintain a window that represents the current subarray of fruits we're collecting, starting with both ends at the beginning. As we move to the right and see new fruit types, we update our tracking. We use a hash map to keep track of how many fruits of each type we have in the current window. Every time we add a new fruit type, we increment its count. But the moment we have more than 2 types, our window becomes invalid, we're breaking the basket rule. So we start shrinking the window from the left, decreasing counts, and removing fruit types from our map when their count hits 0. As soon as we're back to 2 types or fewer, we check the window size and update our maximum if it's the biggest one so far. We do this continuously until we've walked through the entire array. And just like that, we have the optimal number of fruits. No brute force. No backtracking. Just a clean, efficient windowing strategy. Let's break it down. Time complexity is O, n, every fruit is added and removed from the window at most once. Space complexity is O, 1, because the dictionary holds at most 3 keys, in case we momentarily add a third type before removing it. Even if the input array is huge, this remains lightning fast. Here are some gems to take away. You don't have to start at index 0. Sliding windows adapt, they don't restart. Always think, what's my valid window? What's the condition that breaks it? The trick is to track frequency, not just presence. That lets you shrink precisely when needed. If you ever face a longest subarray with at most k distinct elements, this is your template. Problems like longest substring with k distinct characters, max consecutive ones, and minimum window substring all use similar windowing concepts. And that wraps up LeetCode 904, fruit into baskets. We learned how to stretch a sliding window, balance constraints, and make our algorithm both fast and beautiful. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to BugNoJutsu, and turn on notifications so you never miss a grind session. Got a tricky problem in mind? Drop it in the comments, I'll break it down for you. Until next time. Master coding. Conquer LeetCode. Embrace the grind. Catch you in the next one.